Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. I ordered mattress online. This is Starlight Beds Essential large brick 3 feet hybrid spring and memory foam mattress. This one is budget friendly with elegant gray design, soft firmness, 7.5 inches deep single mattress. This hybrid mattress single design with engineered 13.5 gauge spring unit that offer good support, durability, memory foam layers that help to distribute body weight across the surface to provide support and comfort. Measuring 90 cm by 190 cm and 19 cm deep appropriately. Let's check this stuff out and see what is inside. See what it looks like. Once you open it up, it will spring up. And see what it looks like. Very smooth. I like the firmness. So this is what we have here. Brilliant stuff. We're going to take this to the bedroom. This is what the mattress looks like. Well fitted, perfect for the bed. This is single bed mattress. See what it looks like. Well fitted, very much happy with it. I thought to show you. This is what I ordered online, and yeah, I'm happy with it. Thank you.